Hey guys, what's up? So, that reactor video that I uploaded of it exploding got like 20,000 views, so I wanted to make a small follow-up video from that video. A lot of you have been wondering how the reactor works, kind of, so I think I'm going to go around and show how it works and how the actual program works with the monitor in it. So, yeah, let's do that. Let's see around the place. So we have the main entrance here. And you walk in. Gotta make sure it shuts. And over here, if you go over here, as you walk in, you have the carbon dioxide storage and water. So this is, they get pumped into the reactor, right? So there's pipes right there. And if you walk in this direction, back here we have where power is actually outputted out of the facility. As you can see, it goes all the way down there. Right here. It's just an outlet that tests for power if I really want to. But yeah, power goes up through here, this pole, and goes all the way down there to my other machines when I need it. So, yeah. There's nothing back here. It's just empty space. I could put things back there, but I don't think I ever will. Now if we go in here, we have the main control area with the computer program. We have decontamination right here, which honestly, this should probably be up there where the actual access to the reactor is, where you step outside of the reactor. It's whatever, it works. Here we have the open computers computer, where you actually, some of the functionality is here, mainly just for the siren and just some warnings, like if there's low CO2 or H2O, it'll actually bleep that beeping noise that you guys saw in the actual video. So right here we have some valves. We can turn off water flow or carbon dioxide flow in the reactor. And here's the computer. Yeah, so a lot of you guys have been wondering how it actually works. So I'm going to restart this. There's a lot you can do with old computers. This definitely doesn't scratch the surface. I kind of just threw this together because I wanted something to work. I was sort of messing around and seeing what I can actually do with it. So, Open Computers actually uses the Lua scripting language, so I would recommend that you get familiar with that, or if you mess with any other programming languages before, and you should know what you're doing. You just gotta look at the documentation and wiki for this shit. So if we actually do edit Z monitor, because that's the name of the actual program here, this is the script that is doing all of what you've seen in the video. I'll slowly go through it. You guys can copy it or use it as a way to learn or not. That's up to you. Yeah, I'll sort of just go through it. You can sort of see what's going on. But yeah, I think there's some other parts that are kind of off the screen, so I'll have to move over a bit so you can see those parts. Okay. And then there's some up here too, maybe? Yeah, there is. I think. Is that it? Yeah, NTM underscore storage. Yeah, that's it. Alright. I believe that's everything. Yeah, that's how the script works. If you guys want to use that to make your own monitor for your reactor, you can, or you can learn from it. Do whatever you want, it's okay. I actually have no idea how to exit this. I forgot. It's been a minute since I've actually played on this world. It's like been like 5 months, probably. It was around the same time I uploaded that video, so yeah. So if we do clear, we can do Z monitors. We run the Z monitor script, and then there we go. It's back up and running. Like I said, there's a lot more you can do with open computers. This is not a lot. I wanna, if I ever do play on this world again, I wanna make more sophisticated systems using this mod. I think that would be really interesting. So yeah, for now this is the only use I have of this in this world so far, but yeah. This is the control room, and you got a nice view of the reactor in here. Now we walk out of here. This is where we cool depleted fuel and whatnot. Store it in here. Take it out, and then it gets processed elsewhere to make weapons. So that's what I've been doing, so of course. Here we have just some storage for fuel. This is a chunk loader, because if you don't have a chunk loader, things will probably go wrong. Reactor might explode. This is some piping for the water and carbon dioxide. It goes up into the reactor. It comes from down there where the valves are and goes up and wraps around right here. And this is the access. This is where I said the decontamination should be. It should be up here, but that's okay. Now if we go in here, this is where the actual reactor is. Now outside of this, there's actually a cooling tower up top. That's why in the video it went terribly wrong when I broke the roof of the reactor. I unintentionally did that. I was trying to make it explode, but that was accidental. Like, I was trying to get access to the roof. And here we have the reactor, and then we have the turbines right here. And also connected to some pipes. Turns the steam into energy. Energy travels through here and goes to that outlet outside that we saw at the start. And yeah. Yeah, this is the reactor. Let's actually go on the outside. That's pretty much the entirety of the reactor, but we're gonna go to the outside and look at the cooling tower as well. Why not? Fly out here. There we go. It's the cooling tower that was supposed to be there, but in the video, the reactor exploded. And my god, it was so cool. Because the explosion went through the roof up here, scattered debris everywhere. Obviously, I didn't save that world. I had a backup. So I wanted to see what it would look like if it exploded, so that's what I did. But actually, we looked at the computers, but I think some of you were asking, like, how does the alarm actually work, so we'll go look at that again. There's a special, I did not mean to do that. It's okay. Well, there's a special block back here I think I have that uses redstone to actually activate the siren. And if you looked in the script, it's based on certain conditions, so yeah. Yeah, this block is connected to the computer, and this block emits a redstone signal based on conditions that are in the script. And I think the siren is... it's either on this side... okay, no, it's down below. So we dig this up. There we go, there's the siren. That is the siren track as well. And yeah, there we go. That's how that works, for those that were wondering. Yeah, also, this takes power from the reactor too. That's what this outlet's for right here. So, there's a power cable or whatever going up to the ground here. Actually, we could break this and look. Yep. This is a backup battery as well, so power's off. Things should still work. You can also see the power right there, that CBE stat right there. So this has some issues too, like the actual numbers. I was trying to figure out how to convert them to more readable numbers, but I just couldn't figure it out and I didn't care. So it's just taking whatever value the mod has given me and just putting it on the screen. So like the temperature should probably be like Celsius or something, I don't know, or Fahrenheit. So yeah, that is a problem with that. But maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe it's fun. There we go. I haven't done much in this world. I mean, I have, but that's just some oil refinery over there. That's a new one. I just built that. Over there is an old one as well. So if we fly over there. This is my main base of operations. It's an utter mess right now, like, but at some point, all this will be organized for more things. Better organization, better everything. This is the first oil refinery back here. It's okay. Got a farm right there. Those poor animals. It's awful. Yeah. And that is a ore processing plant over there. I want to build buildings around these places, but right now, well, not the oil refineries, but oil processor and stuff. But right now, if I ever get the plane on this world again, I want to also make a drilling machine for different ores, and I sort of put them around right here because I did like a survey, and I found a lot of bedrock ores which you can use to, I'm pretty sure, automate ore processing, so I don't have to go mining ever again in my life. You have to do a lot of that in this mod, unfortunately, but that's okay. That is okay. That's why you make machines, to make life easier. But yeah, I have lots of plans for this world. I may do more things and showcase more things that I built here when I get around to it, so... yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was just sort of walking through everything I've done in this world. Specifically the reactor and how it works. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.